go, squirrel, squirrel! What do you know? What do you say? Welcome to Cool Man Dude YouTube. Home of Type R Honda Civic content and Stark Varg content and farm life and a whole lot of bad fucking decisions. I'm the king of bad decisions. I've gotten better. I don't make as many bad decisions as I used to. A good decision I made was getting this start. I can't argue with that one. That's a good decision right there. Now, for those of you that are unfamiliar with a Stark Varg, it is, well, it's the fastest fucking dirt bike put out. Arguably. There's probably some that are trying to compete. But, no, this bike has 80 horsepower. And, yeah, you're going to have to try awful hard. We got a lot of cool updates with this bike coming out in the near future. I heard it through the grapevine, as they say. But today we're just going to do some cool riding on these scenic back roads. I wanted to get out of the field. I was gonna get some street tires for this bike, but I do too much. I'm on the main roads and fields about equal, so I'm just gonna leave the knobbies do fine. You know what I mean? What am I gonna do? Switch back and forth every hour or so when I want to go out on the... It's just not worth it. Of course, what I could do is, since I got such a phenomenal financing deal on this bike, I could pay it off double quick, which is what I intend to do anyway, at $240 a month, plus my down payment. I'm setting pretty good. I'm going to double up on those payments and, yeah. Go get another one. Get a supermoto. Fuck it. Meanwhile, my house is falling down and I'm getting the most expensive fucking toys I can get. Again, king of bad decisions. I love it. It just rides so smooth, you know. Why change the tires? I don't need to. Just an extra headache. Now we could make a right here, but I'm not gonna, because I got a more fun, curvy road up here. It's just more, we're trying to keep this scenic. Remember? I said we were gonna go on a scenic ride. Oh. I got a bug in my mouth. Alright. This is a cool road, guys. This is chillax right here. Very little traffic. You see, maybe we've passed maybe 3 cars. Maybe. I think this is Novum Church Road. I'm not sure. It could be Gate Road. But I know we're going to make a left up here on Cabin Road. And this, my friends, is fun. Stay tuned. There's a lot of great videos out on YouTube about Stark Varg. I'm pretty much a beginner, and I'm not as experienced as some of these guys on YouTube, but if you want an honest opinion from a beginner who just took a chance, well, I don't have buyer's remorse at all. Not one bit. For somebody like me who lives out in the mountains, out in the country, I really don't do any long commutes. I have a little bit of fun like you're seeing today, of going to the store and stuff like that. And this bike does just fine. A lot of people are concerned about range, and you know, if you're gonna drive 100 miles, just get a fucking car. You got AC and music and all kinds of stuff. That's the kind of thing you're into. Driving long distances is not the bike for you. But if you like to rip around your property and cause a bunch of chaos, and you like to ride some back roads around your town, then yeah, this is the bomb. I've seen all kinds of cool stuff on this. I've seen bear run out. Seen bobcats. That's a thing. Let's open her up a little bit. Coming up on our first set of intense curves. I don't guess they're really that intense, but it is a curvy road. People wreck their vehicles on this road all the time. Now we're coming up on Riva Road. Almost to the store. That's that's perfect, because I need a drink. Dying. Takes me about 15 minutes to get from my house to this store, taking that route. And here we be. Go in here and get a drink. We'll get right back to it, I promise. While I'm taking a break, you should like and subscribe to the channel. I do all kinds of fun shit, man. We could all use some friends. Everybody needs a sidekick. Alright, we're back to it. I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew. Fuck yeah. I always like that church over there that we just passed. It's a fine looking church. Fine looking church. Yeah, boy. Getting it. We're essentially just doing a great big fucking circle. A big 30-minute circle around my area where I live, where I reside. The other place I reside is Washington, D.C. Yes. That is where I spend most of my time. Working, of course. I don't go there for leisure. I go there to kill stuff. That's pretty cool. I kill rodents, bugs, pedestrians. No, that's a joke. I don't kill nobody. Sometimes I wish I could, though. I wish it was legal. Can you imagine if the purge was really a thing? One time a year you could just do whatever you wanted and not be held accountable. That would be fucking crazy. Nobody would use it for anything good. Alright. Make a left on Try Me Road. Try Me Road. I'm telling you, man, this is just too much fun. It's the most fun I've had in a long time. It's the most fun I've had since I got the Type R. But this is just a whole different breed of cat. Type R has 4 wheels. This has 2. Oddly enough, this thing is way quicker than the Type R, with more torque. You can fuck yourself up really bad with both of them, but you can really fuck yourself up on this thing. Plus there's the sound factor. Yes, it makes some noise, but in a car, people are not going to hear it. So you really have to watch what everybody else is doing. Like, look at this guy's running off the fucking road. He was all up in the road there, up in the grass. Probably been drinking all day. And here we are, back on my home turf. Oh man, that squirrel almost got it. All he would have felt would be a cool breeze. That would have been a hurting squirrel for sure. All right. Nothing to it. Hell of a little drive. I had fun. Hope you guys had fun. I think it's calling for some severe weather tonight. We're dealing with this air quality bullshit going on. You can see the sky's smoky and on fire and fucking world's burning down. Yeah. Alright, friends. That's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you around. Hope everybody has a great rest of their weekend. We'll see you next video.